Alright, what's up everybody? If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today, I want to share about a brand new neighborhood that's coming up here in Lake Las Vegas. And I think this is important because you already know, should you ever buy a brand new home, you want to be the first to actually get in on the track, because by the time they build everything out, you're going to be in equity position. So let me just flip this camera around here as we walk and talk. So I'm out here in Lake Las Vegas today, and this is one of the newest communities that they have. And as you can see, they're starting to trench here, okay? And the name of this neighborhood is called Incanta, Lago. And this is actually by Toll Brothers. Now this is like literally the last neighborhood in this community. This is like the farthest we can go out at this time. But I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna show you what it actually looks like. Now, we're located in the master plan community of Lake Las Vegas. This is the city of Henderson. Now the builder here is gonna be Toll Brothers. Now we do have some Toll Brother homes over there, and that is the Bella Strada, and they're just finishing their community up now. Here they're grading everything out, getting ready to go. Now they haven't really released any lots yet, but they're about to release, and I wanted to show you this because, like I said, this is very important. We also have Blue Heron over here on this side. We got some more properties over here. This is all like Richmont. And a lot of these are stacked up on the hill with a beautiful view. Now, Lago Vista. Oh, I said Lago Vista. Actually, that's a wrong community. Incanta, Lago. This is actually a luxury single-story home that also offers two-story homes. Now, they do have square footage from 2,488 square feet all the way up to 3,290 square feet. Now you also do have the option for 3 to a 4 bedroom, 3 to a 4.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now some of the options here, you will have a flex space, rooftop terrace, multi-gen suite, and also a storefront window. If you guys don't know what storefront windows are, basically these are the windows on the top of the back of your slide from floor to ceiling. It just makes everything look a lot bigger. I don't know if you guys can see those back of the houses there. That's what we call the storefront there, okay? Now the pricing here is going to start you off about 1.3 million. This is going to be a gated community, and you're also going to have direct access to the lake here, which is really nice, okay? The amenities will be a resort style. You do have that championship golf course, which is Reflection Bay, which is located over here. Now you're gonna have, water sports that you can do. However, you can't have a gas boat, but you can have electric boat, which is really cool. Now they also have some dining as well, not in this community, but if you want to have some, a nice dinner, you can go to one of these resorts over here. Also, when it comes to the lots, there's gonna be a total of 62 lots. Now, the lot sizes will range anywhere from 6,500 square feet, and I've noticed the biggest one is 12,231 square feet, which is going to be over there where those black tarps are on that corner over here. All the black tarps that you see right here in the front, this will be all your beach front here. So this is your access to the water. So these are going to hold a higher premium. But now as far as like the lot premiums, I'm not too sure what the lot premiums are going to be. But from the past with Bella Strada, I've noticed they start off at about 75,000 all the way up to about 350,000. So I'm predicting here is going to be a couple $100,000 for the beachfront or the waterfront. But I'm sure it's going to be a gorgeous view. Now there's going to be a total of 21 lots that actually face the lake. So where you see that tarp is, only 21 lots. So I'm sure when you get more out into the open, especially right there, especially that lot that's over 12,000 square feet, it's going to be more pricey for the lot premiums. Right now, I don't have the HOAs for this community, so I'm not too sure. I'm sure there are some SIDs and lids on here. We don't know what the balance are at this time. But now we actually have 3 different models. Then we have the Barano, and this is actually a single-story home with the option 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bath, and the living square footage will be 2,488 square feet with a 2-car garage. Now this home is an open concept floor plan that connects the great room, the kitchen, and the dining room area. This is great for entertainment. Now I did look at the floor plan. Now there are 3 different elevations that come with this build. You have the modern, the contemporary, and the mid-century modern. My favorite for this floor plan will be the contemporary because I love the exterior of the home. Now the Dulce is a single-story home with the option 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bath. The living square footage on here is 2,602 square feet with a 2-car garage. Now the home is actually designed with an open floor plan with the option multi-side stacked doors, and this is seamless that connects you in and outdoor living, which is really nice. Like I said, there's 3 different elevations. You got the modern, contemporary, and the mid-century modern. My favorite here for this model will be the mid-century modern. Now right over there where you see that little house thing, or that's actually the office, and that's where all the models are going to go. Actually, I was going to say the trailer, or yeah, I guess it's called a trailer. Now the Vento is a 2-story home that features 4 bedrooms with the primary on the first floor. 4 bathrooms. It is 3,293 square feet with a 2-car garage. The home is actually designed with high ceilings in the great room and the kitchen combined for a dramatic space for entertainment. Again, we have 3 different elevations: the modern, the contemporary, and the mid-century modern. My favorite on this one will be the modern. Now, like I said before, if you guys want to get in on this, now is the time. I want you guys to reach on out to me. I want to get you guys with our sales agent, sales rep out here. Let's get you registered. And if the numbers make sense, let's move forward. Also, I noticed the incentives right now of what they are offering, especially on their website. The interest rates are very favorable on your side. So definitely take advantage of that if you want to use their lender, but I highly recommend that you shop around for the right lender. And guys, that's all I have for this community at this time. If you guys want more videos like this for new upcoming properties, look, this is the only place that we break the news before any other channel that's out there. I mean, there's starting to be more and more YouTubers or agents that are doing YouTube videos. And at the end of the day, look at it and try to earn your business. I wouldn't be where I'm at today if it wasn't for you guys. And I want to keep it going. I want to provide better and more content for you. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks.